Namaste, it's Ali here, and today I am going to lead you through a short guided meditation on emptying out or letting go. So for today's meditation, you can either find a comfortable seated position or you can lay down like this with some pillows propped up against your back to bring you into a sort of a reclined position, and then maybe even a nice pillow here behind your knees. So both of those options are great. You could just pause this video if you want to lay down, and I do suggest it's a nice option for this particular meditation. So begin to get comfortable, either seated or laying, and then closing down through the eyes. Taking the next few breaths to just notice if you could get your body even 5% more comfortable, maybe 1% more comfortable here. And then feel the sensation of the ground beneath your body or the support that you're resting on. Allow yourself to sense the light beyond the eyelids or the darkness, and begin to notice your breath here. We're just sensing the flow of air inside the nose. On the next exhale, might you imagine your shoulders just sort of melting downwards, releasing, letting go. Feeling the inhalation, exhaling to sense the jaw softening, relaxing the teeth away from each other. At your own breathing speed, next exhalation, relaxing the tongue. Maybe drawing the tip of the tongue to the roof of the mouth. Exhaling to relax into the temples and the eyebrows, and the tissues behind the eyes. Exhaling to soften the hands, fingers, thumbs. Feeling the weight of the arms. Exhaling into a softening belly. Relaxing the belly on the inhale so it can expand in all directions. Relaxing into the feet and the toes. Feeling the feet from the inside out. You're sensing the weight, the density of the legs. Bringing awareness back up to the head. And sensing on the next exhale, just imagining as if you could soften the muscle of the mind. Inviting a sort of untangling or unclenching, relaxing open of the mind. Continuing to sense the breath. Sensing the inhalation, the pause at the top of the inhalation. Feeling how effortless the exhalation feels. The pause at the bottom of the exhalation, that emptiness before the inhalation begins. So you might slow down your breathing a little bit, a comfortable pace. a natural rhythm. As you're feeling the sensation, the air inside the nose on the inhale, sensing that pause and the fullness of the breath, feeling the effortless exhalation and the pause when the exhalation completes. So there's 4 parts to this cycle of breath, and you're intimately sensing, noticing each part of this 4-part cycle. And as you breathe, begin to really embrace how effortless the exhalation feels. You're just sort of relaxing into the sense that there's a natural, effortless process of emptying out, of releasing the old, and then inhaling, bringing in the new. It's already happening consistently all day, every day. So just attuning your attention to that feeling of exhaling, emptying out, letting go, releasing the old, and then the natural process of bringing in the new. Without needing to attach any type of story to this process, just begin to really drop into the sensation of exhaling, of emptying out. Trusting that your mind and body knows exactly what to let go of on a subtle energetic level. Trusting the body and mind, the psyche, to know on a subconscious level exactly what needs to be let go of. And you're just feeling that natural process, embracing the effortless emptying out, releasing the old, letting go, as this already happening sensation. Again, there's no need to analyze or build up a big story around this breathing and sensing. Just trusting the body and mind is releasing what needs to be let go of. Leaving your body on the wave of that natural, effortless out-breath. And you can just relax back into the process of sensing your own natural exhalation. And for the next couple of breaths, you might take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale through an open mouth. Inhaling through the nose. Exhaling, you might even welcome a sigh. Inhaling deeply. And exhaling to really let it go. Let's do one more time. Great big deep breath in. And just feeling that exhale. Good, and you might feel called to linger here, observing that exhalation for a few more moments. Or you might feel complete in that process. And when you feel complete, just bringing hands to the heart. If you'd like to stay, you can pause the video for a few more moments. And when you're ready, hands come to the heart center, laying or sitting, continuing to sense the rhythm of your breath here, and just noticing how you feel. And fluttering the eyes open. And thank you for doing a short practice with me today. This is a great time of year. If you're watching this video when I posted it, this is a great time of year. We're moving right into the winter solstice next week. So it's a good time of year as we move towards the darkest day of the wheel of the year to really embrace the natural rhythm of emptying out. This is the time of really slowing down in the natural cyclical nature that all of us biological creatures are a part of. So we can energetically, emotionally, psychologically allow things to release in this more effortless way, especially at this time of year when we're really working with these natural rhythms that are very potent, very powerful in nature. So I will be, actually I have a little announcement, which is I will be leading a little bit of an experience from the winter solstice onward towards the new year. I've been getting reached out to for years now from my community and my students, just feeling really overwhelmed at this time of year because it is a time where we're naturally meant to slow down, and it can feel really the opposite of that sometimes during the holiday season. So I'm just configuring right now a whole bunch of resources, of my favorite resources that I've collected over the years that really support me in staying really grounded and calm and sane and all of those things through the end of the year, and in this case, the end of the decade. So if you are interested in that, or you are a part of that already, welcome. If you're interested to learn more about that, I'll just post a little link below and you can check that out. So once again, my name is Ali, and thank you for being here with me on my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe if you like my videos and my yoga nidras. And I'll see you next time. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Namaste.